Hey everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add IndiaMART leads to Agile CRM as contacts. So let's suppose I'm running a manufacturing company and receiving all my orders and leads through IndiaMART. Now I want that whenever I receive lead through IndiaMART, a contact should be automatically created in Agile CRM. I can do this automation with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skill. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMART and Agile CRM. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take IndiaMART from where I will receive the new lead. And in my action application, I will take Agile CRM where the contact will be created automatically as soon as the new lead will be received through IndiaMART. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add IndiaMART leads to Agile CRM as contacts. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMART and Agile CRM with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign into a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. But if you are a new user, click on sign up for free and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I am an existing user, I'll click on sign in and it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow for which I need to click on this create workflow. And now I need to enter the workflow name and select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. First, let's name this workflow as how to add IndiaMART leads to Agile CRM as contacts. And now I need to select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So these are the folders that I have created and I want to select all automations and click on create. As soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to add IndiaMART leads to Agile CRM as contacts, which means whenever I will receive lead from IndiaMART, a contact should be created in Agile CRM, which means whenever I will receive lead from IndiaMART, this complete workflow will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I will take IndiaMART. And then in my trigger event, I will take new leads. Now I need to make connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART for which a webhook URL is provided to me and this URL will act as a bridge to connect Pabbly Connect with IndiaMART. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection and to make this connection, let me take you to my IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART dashboard and on the left hand side, I can see all the options. Here I need to click on this third option, lead manager. And then I have to click on this three dots, after which I have to click on import export leads and then click on push API. Now I have to select the source so I can see all the options. Here I want to select other. Now over here I need to provide the CRM platform name and the webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my trigger step. So over here first write the CRM platform name as Pabbly Connect. And then the webhook listener URL is the same URL which I am provided in Pabbly Connect. So I'll simply copy this and paste it over here. Now I simply have to click on save details. And over here I need to select the option. I want to select this. I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. And if you want to select any other reason, you can select from this drop down. Now I want to click on this click to generate OTP. And here I will enter the OTP that I have received on my phone number. So we have entered the webhook URL and made this connection between Pabbly Connect and IndiaMART. And now we have to test this webhook URL, for which we have to click on this test your webhook listener URL. So if I click on this test your webhook listener URL, I will receive a test data of a test lead, and if you will receive leads from IndiaMART in real time, you have to follow the same process to make this connection. For now, I want to just get the test lead, for which I am going to click on this test your webhook listener URL, and I will receive all these details in my Pabbly Connect if the connection that we have made with this webhook URL is successful. So for that, I simply have to click on this test. And now I need to go to Pabbly Connect and check whether I have received the details of the test lead there or not. And over here we can see we have received the details of the test lead. Here is the name, the state, the alternate phone number, the phone number, mobile number, email address, office email address, alternate email address, company name, city name, address, product name. So all these are the test details of the lead, which means we have successfully set up webhook URL in IndiaMART account, which means Pabbly Connect is connected with IndiaMART, and now I have to move to my next step, which is action step. So now whenever I receive lead from IndiaMART, I want to create contact in Agile CRM. So here my action application will be Agile, and then my action event will be create contact. Click on connect. If you have an existing connection, you can simply go with save, but if you don't have one, click on add new connection. And to make this connection, we have to enter the login email of Agile CRM, then the API key, and then the domain. And to enter this, let me take you to my Agile CRM account. So this is the Agile CRM dashboard, and on the right hand side top corner, I can see this profile option. Here I need to click on this admin setting. And if I scroll down, I will be able to find this developers and API. From here, I need to copy this REST API and simply paste it over here. Now I need to enter the email. So if I click over here, I can see my login email, which is demopab@pabblytudes.com. So I will go back to Pabbly Connect and simply write my login email over here. Now I need to enter the domain. So to enter this, let's go back to Agile CRM. And over here, I can see pabsns.agilecrm.com. So let's copy this and go back to Pabbly Connect and paste it over here. But it's written, enter the Agile CRM domain name here. If you use mycompany.agilecrm.com to log into Agile, then enter my company. So over here, I need to remove this HTTPS and then remove this .agilecrm.com. So this is my domain. Now I simply have to click on the save. And over here, Agile CRM is connected with Pabbly Connect. Now I have to enter all these details. So first I need to enter the first name, and to enter this I am going to use a process called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from IndiaMART. So I will simply click on this IndiaMART, and if I scroll down, I will be able to find my name, which is Prabhat. So I will simply map this. Then I need to enter the last name. But over here, I have not received any last name. I have just received the first name. But if you receive the full name over here, you can use a feature by Pabbly known as text formatter, so that you can separate full name with the last name. Over here, I have not received any full name, so I will put Prabhat itself in my last name field. Then I need to enter the email address. So if I scroll down, I will be able to find this email address abcdeprabhat@gmail.com. Then I need to enter my phone number. So if I scroll down, I will find my phone number. Then I need to enter my company. So over here, my company is ABC Private Limited. Then I am leaving this field blank because this is not required and I have not received any response for this. Then I need to enter the address. So my address is this one. Then I need to enter the city. So the city is Noida. Then I need to enter the state name. So the state is UP. And then the country is India. So over here, I am leaving these fields blank because I have not received response and these are not required one. But if you have received the response, you can enter following the same process. So over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change on every new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static and every time I receive a new response, it will not change in the result. So as to keep these fields dynamic, I use this process mapping. Now I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here we can see we have received the response and the other details that we have entered. Now I need to go to my Agile CRM and check whether I have created this contact there or not. So let's open our Agile. On the left hand side I can see all the options. Here I need to open the contacts, and if I refresh this page, here I can see I have created this contact by the name Prabhat. We can see all the contact information, email address, and other details over here. So to summarize, we took IndiaMART as our trigger application where we made connection with the help of this webhook URL. We send the test data from IndiaMART and receive the response and the test details of the lead over here, after which we took action application as Agile CRM where we made connection with Pabbly Connect and entered all these details with the help of mapping. Simply clicked on save and send test request and received the response as a new contact created in my Agile CRM account. So we have successfully created automation between IndiaMART and Agile CRM with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.